Hello and welcome to week 2 of LIBS 301. This week we will be looking at the information literacy step of identify. So for this week we have our to-do list. So first is our required materials that you'll need to look through. We will have our week 2 instructor video, so the video you are watching now, how to write strong research questions for research papers YouTube video, creating keywords YouTube video, and the Bishop Mueller Library website tour video as well. Now for supplemental materials, and these are going to be non-required materials that you can look through if you so choose, is how to develop a strong research question, which is another YouTube video. We have an article which looks at writing strong research questions, and then we have our research questions and keywords worksheet. So these will be a good help for you guys to get kind of some guidance as you go through the assignment and the discussion post. So we have one assignment due this week, which is our research question and keywords post. So that is where that worksheet really will assist and help you. So for this week, we have 2 terms and concepts. So first is our research question. So this is a question used to guide the research and direction of an academic paper. This helps answer the question of why should we care about this topic. Next, we have keywords. So these are words or phrases that describe a topic and can be used in the searches, so either in a library database search or an internet search engine. So for this week, for our information literacy concept, here we are looking at identify. So this is the first step of our 5 steps of information literacy. So identify, as we mentioned in the week 1 video, is determining what information is needed and why. So here for the assignments, we're going to be looking at our topic selection post, which we did last week, and our research questions and keywords post, which we are going to be working on this week. So now let's look into developing a research question and keywords. So I want you guys to really be looking at specific materials as you go through this. So we have our how to write a strong research question for research papers. It is a YouTube video from the Smart Student. She does a really great job at going into depth, figuring out how to develop that research question to really have a strong topic for your paper. We also have a YouTube video from Norwich Library, which is looking at creating keywords. So both of these videos really break down the information, and I want you guys just to look through it, figure out kind of what information you have, and if you have questions, please reach out and I will help you guys with those assignments. We also have how to develop a strong research question, short YouTube video from Scribber, and writing strong research questions, criteria and examples, which is an article webpage from Scribber's associated account. So those 2 are also really good materials to look through, really get an in-depth look at what that strong research question is going to be looking at. Now, I also want you guys to look through the library's website overview video, but I have certain timestamps that I want you guys to be looking at. Please watch the following timestamps. So from the beginning to 2 minutes and 2 seconds is the introduction and landing page overview. So this will really help give you guys a good overview of the library's website, how to access what's there. Then from 2 minutes and 3 seconds to 3 minutes and 59 seconds, we have our databases link and how to access those. So it's really showing you guys how to get into the databases, what to look for. Again, this is going to be kind of a quick and dirty overview. We'll be going more in depth on how to search through specific databases later on in this course. Then I'll have you guys jump forward to the 5-minute mark, and you'll be watching for about a minute, so to the 5:53 mark. And this will be of the library's catalog link and how to access the library's catalog. So again, like the databases link, it's going to be that quick and dirty overview, but gives you good information on how to access and search the library's resources. Now, we also have some optional timestamps to watch, and I have these listed below. So again, I want you to watch the first 3 that I have here listed. So the introduction and landing page overview, the databases link and how to access the databases, and the library catalog link and how to access that. So in Brightspace on the link to the video, I have these marked out of where to go, so you guys are watching just what you need to watch and don't have to watch the whole 12-minute video. Now for our week 2 to-do list. So materials that I want you guys to view, so required materials. So again, we have our week 2 instructor video, so the video you're watching now. We have a YouTube video from Smart Student of how to write a strong research question for research papers. Our YouTube video from Norwich Library of creating keywords, and a YouTube video from Brianne Kirsch, which is the Bishop Mueller Library website tour, and specific timestamps only, so you don't have to watch the whole video. You can watch just the timestamps I referenced. Now, for supplemental or non-required materials that you guys can look through, we do have our research question and keywords worksheet, so this will really help you with your assignment. The YouTube video from Scribr of how to develop a strong research question, and then the associated online article also from Scribr of writing strong research questions, which is criteria and examples. So additional information for you guys to look into. For the assignments that are due for this week, we just have the one assignment. So it is the research questions and keywords post. So you will be creating a research question and a keywords list based on the topic you selected in week 1. So there is a worksheet available to guide you through both of these kind of mini assignments for the post. So please look through that. If you have questions, reach out and I am more than happy to help. As always for these assignments, your initial post is going to be due on Thursday and your response to your classmates are going to be due on Sunday. You'll be responding to 2 of your classmates. So as always, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you guys all have a great week.